Hi and welcome back. My video today will be about computer vision and facial recognition. It is quite amazing to think about how fast logging on and authenticating yourself through facial recognition has gone from being a pure science fiction scenario to something that is almost like a commodity. Just think about the NemID app here in Denmark, where iPhone users, in order to get access to their bank or to a social service, have to use facial recognition in order to do so. We do it every day now, so why talk about it as a prediction for 2020? Well, I think it's because we've only seen the tip of the iceberg. The combination of AI with cameras and sensors basically means that we will see new solutions being developed at lightning speed. In China, you can now pay with a smile on Alibaba just by looking into a camera. You will be able to check into airports with your face and then later on being recognized in security, and maybe in the airport where signs will tell you the directions to your gate or to the lounge that you have access to. Or the ability to check out of a supermarket without doing anything. We see that with Amazon Go. And also self-driving cars are strongly relying on this technology in order to work. But there is an obvious backside to this technology as well, and that is the surveillance risk and the loss of privacy that follows. In China, they have something they call a social credit system that is linked to your behavior. And to be honest, it sounds like something from a very bad science fiction movie, or maybe even an episode of Black Mirror that suddenly became way too real. Also, we see police around the world deploying this technology. Even in Denmark, the police in 2019 asked for the right to use facial recognition in their work. But what happens to all this data that gets stored? It is a bit scary. And the next step that we will see in 2020 being rolled out is something called emotion detection, which is the ability through computer vision to automatically read your state of mind and maybe even your intention. This leads to a lot of new possibilities. One example is crime prevention. Another one will be all the different marketing techniques that will pop up. Do we want that? I'm not sure, but it's definitely going to happen. So the development in this area is going to explode in 2020. One of the reasons is because during the Olympics in Tokyo, facial recognition will be used widespread in order to give spectators and authorized personnel access in and out of stadiums. Hopefully, this will also lead to a better user experience and more safety. I predict that we will see some new and quite exciting use cases for this technology in 2020, but I also think we will see some scary ones. But we definitely need to look out for the development in face rec and computer visions in 2020.